A review of multivariate analysis and machine learning in pediatric epilepsy research. Pediatric epilepsy presents some unique obstacles and opportunities in seizure control due to brain immaturity. Seizure detection and prediction, epileptogenic lesion identification, and clinical outcome prediction are all areas where multivariate analysis and machine learning methods are increasingly being employed in childhood epilepsy. This paper reviewed such studies in order to provide an overview of the subject, and discovered that these methods have made it possible to detect seizures on an electroencephalogram, EEG, and detect lesions on imaging automatically. Furthermore, despite the fact that seizure occurrence has long been thought to be random or unexpected, it has been discovered that seizures can occur non-randomly in complex patient-specific situations. Machine learning approaches can detect and distinguish preictal changes on EEG from interictal activities, allowing seizure occurrence to be predicted. However, there are significant challenges in seizure prediction, such as the need for sufficient clinical data and good machine learning algorithms to identify complex seizure occurrence patterns. In addition, outcome studies utilizing multivariate analysis and machine learning techniques have revealed seizure outcome factors. Confirmatory studies are needed to make these relatively new procedures accurate and dependable, and more research is needed to improve them. Multivariate analysis and machine learning are expected to contribute more to identifying complex seizure patterns, epileptogenic lesions, and outcome predictors to improve seizure detection prediction, lesion detection, and seizure outcome prediction, resulting in better seizure control to prevent seizure-related accidents, injury in children with epilepsy, lower mortality rates, improve quality of life, and eventually set them free from seizures. Epilepsy is a common brain disorder that affects around 50 million people globally, including many children. In the United States alone, it costs over $12 billion each year. Epilepsy causes seizures, which are sudden bursts of electrical activity in the brain. While seizures in children can be similar to those in adults, some are unique to kids and can be harder to detect. Children are more vulnerable to brain injuries and infections, which can trigger epilepsy. Sadly, epilepsy in children can be life-threatening, especially if seizures happen without warning. Traditionally, seizures were thought to be unpredictable, but new research shows that they might follow hidden patterns. With advanced tools like EEGs and heart monitors, doctors can now track seizures more accurately, but no single tool works for all types of seizures. Being able to predict seizures could greatly improve treatment and reduce risk. Another major challenge is identifying brain lesions, damaged areas, that cause epilepsy. These can be hard to spot on regular scans like MRIs. As a result, researchers are now using multiple brain imaging tools together and turning to computer-based methods to find these hidden lesions. Predicting how well a child will respond to treatment is also important. This helps doctors choose the best treatment early, saving time and improving results. However, epilepsy research often involves many pieces of data but only a small number of patients, making analysis difficult. To handle this, researchers use advanced data analysis methods like multivariate analysis and machine learning. These tools help find patterns in large amounts of data, improve diagnosis, and predict treatment success. Although still new in childhood epilepsy research, these methods are showing great promise and are being used more often to improve care and outcomes for children with epilepsy. This review shows that advanced data analysis methods, like multivariate analysis and machine learning, are helpful in improving the care of children with epilepsy. These tools can automatically detect seizures by analyzing brain wave patterns, EEG, and help find damaged brain areas, lesions, on scans. They can also spot early warning signs before a seizure happens, making seizure prediction possible. Predicting seizures could help patients stay safe and improve their quality of life, but it's still a challenge because seizure patterns are often different for each person. Machine learning can also help doctors predict how well a treatment will work for a specific patient. However, to use these methods in real-world clinics, we need more research with larger groups of patients to ensure the tools are accurate and reliable. In the future, these methods could lead to better seizure control, reduce risks, and help children with epilepsy live healthier, safer lives. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology, and medicine.